You mean all pussies things?
Nah, I said all. I said the one, some of them hoes. The one.
Man, that's clean, man. Shit.
What they say? Some of them have on drawers on. You put your hand up. Stick your hand up.
I'm talking about as soon as you take,
Oh, hell no, I
you
ain't
close up
fucking.
on her, she take her pants
Oh,
off.
hell
No. That's not what I'm talking about though.
I ain't. Then I fuck. Then I fuck.
No, you just making up shit so you can have an excuse to hit her. I'm talking about when she took it
Go
off.
Hey.
I didn't get to that point that we butt naked. Fuck that.
I ain't talking about when as soon as you take the pants off. I'm talking about
No,
she take the pants off. It don't smell.
Those.
But when she getting doggy and she start busting it open,
Now that's different.
That's when the fumes.
No, I'm talking about smell it when I'm finna right there.
No, I'm talking about you get back there. You about to hit it. You in a doggy style position. You about to hit it. You ain't sliding it in yet. You getting in, you right up there, you close, you getting ready to slide. You don't smell it. You don't put the dick in. Nigga, right before you get ready to put it in, the fumes punch you in the face. You going through with that, or you saying, oh nah, I smelled something. Like get your shit off. Like get your clothes on. Like
you think about that tomorrow.
Nigga, hell yeah. I'm sliding in there.
Cause I'm a man.
I'm sliding in there, nigga. I'm already rocked off, nigga. Like what you mean? Like slide in there, nigga. I got to. Like what you mean?
She gonna get fucked. That's what I'm saying. Some money
That's crazy, man. Nah, this is crazy.
She gonna get Mr. Rob. She gonna get fucked, Mr. Rob.
She gonna get fucked. Up in here.
That ain't mean when I put it in there. After prior to that, no.
She gonna get fucked.
Nah, I'm saying like you got a good 10 seconds to realize before you put your dick in that there's some fumes coming out this motherfucker. Like.
And you still put it in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I am, nigga. I know I am.
She gonna get fucked.
I am, nigga. I know that.
I am. I got all kind of pussy, man.
I mean, it's cutting up though, man.
It's cutting up,
Please,
nigga.
I'm stinking.
I am so
You ain't gonna concentrate on this.
I ain't concentrating on this hitting
Take a douche.
No.
Take a douche for you. The pussy was straight up.
I didn't make a face. Nigga, you know how you frown your face up when something stink? You just hold that face while you fucking. Hold that. You hold that face.
We talking about trying to get into this hole. That shit can't do.
Yeah, nigga, I mean, it can't. I don't want it to be. I don't want you to mistake what I'm saying. Like, I prefer pussy to smell like this, nigga. I'm just telling you, if this happens, I'm not canceling the operation, nigga. I know that.
She gonna talk.
I'm talking about cutting up, nigga. I can't even know. I can't.
If it's just smelling, if I see something with my eyes and I say it's smelling and that shit look like it's nah, then I ain't gonna do it. But if it's just smelling and it look like regular pussy, I'm in there all day, nigga. I'm in there.
Now the hot smell, yeah. I'm talking about just a smell, like fucked up smell, nigga. Like this bitch, this size is fucked up. This got something going on, nigga.
But nigga, I'm saying, like, you underestimating the mentality of a nigga who's horny as a motherfucker with the pussy in front of him. You know what I'm saying? We talking to each other now as sane, regular niggas. We different mentally when we like that, man. Why you think certain motherfuckers out here will rape somebody? They would never do it in this state of mind right here. You get them to the point where you telling them no, and now they willing to take the shit, nigga. Like, it's just different.
They gonna take that pussy.
Hell yeah. Some niggas are willing to cross that line or whatever. Yeah, they gonna take that pussy. You know what I'm saying? So when
it happened to me, man, I just do it.
Oh, it happened to you before? So how did you not do it though? Did you just say, well, you know what, I'm not in the mood no more? Or did you say, well, like this shit is smelling, like you got,
Yeah, what happened was the phone kept ringing. That's what it was. The phone kept ringing. They would stop ringing.
Let's save your ass then.
Motherfucker went on the line. Then I get back, finna do it. Phone just ringing.
So that was your excuse.
I got to go, man.
Yeah.
Somebody coming.
I did feel like it that time, man. I was like, man, where you going? I said, nigga, feet in the air, nigga, that was another one, man, I didn't do. Nigga, what?
As soon as you smell the feet.
Nigga, what?
You suck your toes?
Fuck no! Damn toes, my feet, I'm finna get in that
Hey, Mr. Roberts, man, something wrong with you, man. Nigga say you suck the toes. We always talk about a chic butt ass nigga. We talk about pussy. You worry about if you suck the toes. You wanna know about that foreplay, nigga? What did you do? Did you just go in with a pussy or did you suck her toes, my nigga? Like, what did you do?
You suck their toes? Oh, hell yeah, I had one, but she was so fine, man. You would drink her bath water, she was so fine.
Oh, she one of those?
Oh, it's a fine boy. Boy, fuck the hell out your dick, too. I like that home, man, that shit. I let that go home.
What off your dick?
The head.
Damn. Head no more. The whole head come on?
Shit, she the fuck, boy. That shit the fuck, boy.
Yo, that's serious. Real serious, nigga.
You was some serious pussy she put on me, man. I was finna leave home with that whole chick.
She about to pop
Hell yeah. When she put that pussy on me, shit.
She about to pop that nigga.
Turn that thing around and pull it up in my diction. Oh, lady, go. Oh, I'm so tired. I've been working hard. I hurt my leg today.
The motherfucker was attached, yeah. Oh, man, you crazy.
We gotta do it another night. Shit. I said, oh, this got to go.
We just get
You suck a toe.